All right, we're going to dive right into this question. So if you don't remember what the collatz conjecture is, I recommend that you pause the video and review it before continuing. Since we're asked to count the number of steps, it makes sense to have a variable which stores this information. And of course, when the program first starts, we haven't done any steps yet, so we initialize this variable to 0. Now what we're going to do is take our argument n and repeatedly apply one of two operations to this number until we reach 1. And that last part there, repeatedly do some stuff until we reach 1, that tells us exactly what our loop condition should be. So while n is greater than 1, we're going to perform some operations to change n. And what are these two operations? If n is even, we do something, and if n is odd, we do something else. And remember that we can determine whether n is even or odd using the modulus function. So if n mod 2 is 0, that means n is even, and we're going to divide n by 2. On the other hand, if n is odd, we're going to multiply n by 3 and then add 1. And in both cases, because we've applied one step, we're going to increase our step counter by 1. And finally, when the loop terminates, we need to return the number of steps. Let's run that. And awesome.